This is Sheba and I am at Shakuntalam studio, and today I have come here to learn a bit on understanding what is acting, what are the techniques, what is addiction, what is energy levels. And for me it was very important because I work as a leadership coach and I'm into the field of giving motivation, talking to people, inspiring them. I work on behavioral therapies, and I always wanted to know that how do I keep this energy on. And today I got a very important lesson where I learned that how important it is to cut off from what you're doing. I mean, I really don't need to act into it, but this concept which sir taught me today is so important in my field that sometimes when you're coaching or when you're counseling or you're mentoring people, you get carried away with their emotions. And like what he said, I have experienced that there are times when you take up cases where after a time when the person is healed or he has come out of it, you tend to fall sick. So today I learned a very important lesson where how you need to go about things, how you need to maintain your energy. And a very important and the most specific thing what I learned was, if you want to be in the limelight, how do you maintain your energy? The sense of responsibility what should be in you when you maintain yourself. Even if you're sick, even if you're down, even if you're low, what keeps you going? So this was a very important lesson, and I would suggest most of the people to come for such workshops to improve their personality development also, along with the acting skills and along with the diction what you can learn over here, the body language you can learn over here. It's gonna be rocking your life. So please come forward and attend such workshops. Thank you.
Thank you.